Nutrition in Plants Class 7 Notes Science Chapter 1. CBSE Class 7 Science Notes Chapter 1. Nutrition in Plant. All living organisms require food. The food gives energy to the organisms for growth and maintenance of their body function. Carbohydrates, protein, fat, vitamins and minerals are the components of food. These components of food are necessary for our body and are called nutrients. Nutrition is the process of taking food by an organism and its utilization by the body. Green plants prepare their own food, while human and animals are directly or indirectly dependent on plants for their food. Modes of nutrition. On the basis of different modes of nutrition, organisms are categorized into two major types: autotrophs, autoself. Autotrophic nutrition is the mode of nutrition in which organisms make their own food from the simple substance. Therefore, plants are called autotrophs. Heterotrophs. Other human and animal do not contain chlorophyll and are dependent on animal for their food in ready-made form. Those organisms which cannot prepare their own food and takes food from green plants or animals are called heterotrophs, and the mode of nutrition is called heterotrophic nutrition. Photosynthesis, food making process in plants. The process by which autotrophic green plants make their own food from simple inorganic substance, carbohydrate, carbon dioxide and water, in the presence of sunlight and green pigment or chlorophyll, is known as photosynthesis. Site of photosynthesis. The process of photosynthesis takes place in green leaves. Therefore, leaves are referred as the food factories of plants. The photosynthetic process can occur in other green parts of the plant like stem, but is not enough for meeting all the needs of the plant. Reaction included in photosynthesis. Cells. All living organisms are made from small building units of categorized cells. Cells are the structural and functional unit of the body of all living organisms. They can only be seen under a microscope. The cell has a thin outer boundary called cell membrane, a distinct centrally located spherical structure called nucleus, and jelly, the substance surrounding the nucleus called cytoplasm. Thank you for watching video. For more video,